Hello students, today we have to evaluate the things with the help of laws of exponents. See here, this is 3a power 4b power 3 into 18a3b5. It's very easy, this you have done in lower classes also. See here, 3 into 18, this is 54. Okay, now this see here, base is same, then powers will be added. A power 4 into a power 3. So you can write a power 4 plus 3. And here this one b power 3 into b power 5. You can write b power 3 plus 5. You can say b power 3 plus 5. Okay, then what will be this a power 7 b power 8, this is your answer. Okay, next one is here, next question, minus 2a square upon b3 whole power 3. Okay, so what to do, you can write like this, separate it. Okay, minus 2 power 3. See here, minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. This is minus 8. This is here minus 8. And power multiplied, 2 3s are 6. Here powers again multiplied, 3 3s are 9. This is your answer, it's very easy. Okay. Here 64 power 1 upon 3. Okay, so 64 you can write 4 power 3. 4 4 are 16. 16 4 are 64. Write like this. So what will be 3 into this 1 upon 3. 3 to 3 cut. This is 4 power 1. We can say 4. This is your answer. Okay, come on here. 27 power minus 2 by 3. I can write 27 like 3 power 3 minus 2 upon 3. Then take out 3 outside. Here minus 2 upon 3. 3 to 3 cut. This is 3 power minus 2. We can write 1 upon 3 power 2. This is 1 upon 9. 3 square is 9. Okay. One more question is this. 625. 625, what you have to write here, this is your 5 power 4. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, and 125 5s are 625. This is 1 upon 4. So 5 power 4 into minus 1 upon 4. 4 to 4 cut. What is remaining? 5 power minus 1. So we can write 1 upon 5. Okay, like this way, with the help of exponents, you can solve any question. Come on the next one. Hello student, these two questions are of exponent questions. You have to prove this 2 power n plus 2 power n minus 1 upon 2 power n plus 1 minus 2 power n is equal to 3 by 2. Looking like typical one, but it is very easy. See here, I am taking LHS 2 power n and 2 power n minus 1 I am writing like this. Okay. Here in denominator 2 power n plus 1 no, 2 power n into 2 power 1. Here in bracket minus 2 power n. In numerator you see 2 power n is common from both the terms. 2 power n. What is remaining? 1. And on this place 1, then plus. Here 2 power minus 1 I am writing 1 upon 2. Here 2 power n, this in denominator again 2 power n is common. 2 power n. 2 power 1 is 2 minus this, remove, then this will be 1. 2 power n to 2 power n cut. This is your 2 is LCM, 2 plus 1 upon 1. This is 3 by 2 and this is your RHS. Okay. Like this way you can solve. The other one also, it is very interesting also. See here, again we will use laws of exponent. See in the bracket, numerator and denominator with same base is given to you. Then power should be subtracted. I can write a minus b in this way. Okay. B plus b minus c. Okay, when c goes up, b plus c, and x power c minus a, c plus c. Just like a power m divided by a power n, you can say a power m minus n. Now see, base is same. Then and before that, see, a power m power n, like this. A power m whole power n. This should be a power m into n. Multiply it. A plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. This is b square minus c square. This is c square minus a square. Now see, base is same in all threes. If base is same, then powers will be added. B square minus c square plus c square minus a square. Okay, you can cut a square to a square, b square to b square, c square to c square. Then what will be here? X power 0 and x power 0 is 1, that is your. Like this way you can get the answer with the help of laws of exponent. It is very easy and important one.